Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $100 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Chris Evans, Chris Evans, Chris A. Vince, Chris Evans. Chris Evans is known for his iconic roles in action and superhero films. Some of his top movies include Captain America, The First Avenger, Avengers, Endgame, and Snowpiercer. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Chris Evans, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.